Hi, my name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI bi-turbo engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the pearlescent paint colour deep black. Taking a look at some of the exterior features on the front, we'll find the van comes with LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Set into the front colour coordinated bumper, we'll also find a set of front parking sensors, as well as a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below and across all four wheels, we'll find the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the Kombi, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, some transporter badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there is a very sizable amount of storage space here. There's a rubber floor covering, as well as having a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor to help you secure any larger items. Access into the boot space can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to these twin electric sliding doors. The rear seater passenger area is a 3-seater bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. These seats come with some ISOFIX points, as well as being finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery. Lining the rear passenger area is also a rubber floor covering, and there is steps on either side allowing easy access for the passengers. Up front in the driver's cab, we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. These seats again are finished in the bricks woven fabric, and there is plenty of leg space for the driver as well as the front passenger. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes the Discover Media navigation, as well as allowing users to access all their favourite radio stations or utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats, climatic air conditioning, as well as a heated rear window. To the left of this we have some cab controls for the twin power sliding doors, and just beneath this we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. And the driver of course has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. This will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.